Hello everyone, my name is Christopher091 and welcome back. And let's play an old game known as 18 Wheels of Steel American Long Haul. I bought this game off of Amazon a couple of years ago, and I figured since I have it, why not play it for YouTube? I have it. It's here. I can record. So why not? So yeah, let's go. I don't think there's any settings I have to change. Let's go. It's gonna take me to the launch screen real quick. Yeah. Give it a second. It's old. I know you're on Steam, okay? So yeah, give it a second. I know you're not able to launch it. Just gotta go again. Now? There we go. Come on. Are you working? Are you working very slowly? What are you doing? Finally, thank you. Let's go.